Today in the Daily Dose, Kit Carson, a trailblazer to the American West. Born in December of 1809, Kit Carson left his Missouri home at the tender age of 16, becoming a mountain man and fur trapper in the untamed American West. In the 1830s, he accompanied Ewing Young on an expedition into Mexican California, before heading into the Rocky Mountains on repeated fur trapping expeditions, where he lived among and married into the Arapaho and Cheyenne tribes. In the 1840s, Carson achieved national fame when he was hired as a guide by John Fremont, who mapped the Oregon Trail to assist and encourage pioneers on their journey west. Under Fremont's command, Carson participated in the conquest of California from Mexico at the beginning of the Mexican-American War, again rising to national acclaim when he walked 15 miles barefoot to fetch reinforcements from San Diego after the disastrous Battle of San Pasqual. During the 1850s, Carson was appointed as an Indian agent to the Ute and Jacqueria Apaches, and when the Civil War broke out, he helped eliminate a Confederate threat in New Mexico. Carson also led forces during the Indian Wars, suppressing the Navajo, Mescalero Apache, Kiowa, and Comanche tribes by destroying their food sources. Later, he was breveted a brigadier general and took command of Fort Garland, Colorado, until declining health forced him to retire from military life. After his death in 1868 from an aortic aneurysm, during the late 19th century, Kit Carson became a legendary symbol of America's frontier experience, after he was canonized in countless dime store novels and Hollywood movies. In more recent years, Carson has also become a symbol of the American nation's gross mistreatment of its indigenous peoples. And there you have it, Kit Carson and the American frontier, today in the Daily Dose. If you like learning something new every day, subscribe to the Daily Dose on YouTube, or sign up for emails at dailydosenow.com.